Hey guys, we're back at my house in the laundry room. All the sheetrock is up, everything's screwed in, and we're gonna get to taping. But before we do, we gotta pre-fill. Now, what's pre-filling? It's exactly what it sounds like. We're gonna pre-fill any large holes before we actually put in tape. So it's gonna bind the two sheets together. So right behind me here, I have a 3/4 inch gap between the two sheets that I have pre-filled. Mind you, this right here isn't too much of a concern because there is casing going over top. And in the other corner, we have about, I'd say an 1/8 inch gap I can see into the other room. Now that we're gonna pre-fill for sure. So let's get into that. All right guys, we're moving on to our first coat. Tape's ready. We've got our drywall trowel, the 12 inch. As you can see right here, has a bit of a crown to it, so it's gonna help us load up that material to get it nice and flat. So let's get into it. All right, pre-fill is done, tape is done, first coat is done. Next would be your second and third coats and skim if you really need to go that far. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.